Hello and welcome to my retro watches. My name is Michael and this is the face to the voice that you've been listening to on all my previous videos, and I thought it was time to put myself in front of the camera instead of my hands that you see a lot of, to celebrate the fact that I've got 1,000 subscribers, because apparently in YouTube land this is quite a big milestone, so why not? And I thought to celebrate that I'd do a giveaway. So what have we got to give away? Well, got a vintage Seiko. What a surprise. It's a 7025 movement. It's in poor condition, so the case is pretty battered. It's got a broken crystal. It's missing a bracelet, I guess. There's lots of things I can say about this, but it's got all the right hallmarks for a full restoration, and that's what I want to do to it. So I don't want to give you a broken watch, I want to give you a nice new watch. So I'm going to do a series of videos where I'll strip down the movement, I'll service the movement, we'll rebuild it, we'll relume the hands, we'll do the case work on it, put the different finishes because it will have a brush finish on here, polished on the side, and then we need to fit a new crystal. And as if by magic, I've already prepared, I've sourced a new old stock, a genuine Seiko crystal to go with this. Fortunately I can't find a bracelet, so we will have to put it on a nice leather strap. It's got a nice little black face, so it's pretty cool. I'll do a little close-up video in a moment when I finish talking, so you can kind of see what's going to be on offer. And this is, sorry, what I was going to say is to win it, basically you'll have to watch all the videos that I do in the sequence, and then at the end, the last video, I don't know, I'll ask you to like and comment. I'll come up with something basically, and then I'll pick one of you guys at random using a randomizer, and I'll post it to basically anywhere in the world. You won't have to pay for a thing. So it's pretty good. I'm also thinking of trying to do a giveaway on a digital watch, but I haven't found the right candidate yet, to be fair. So that's basically it really, other than, you know, join the Facebook group. I can't advocate it enough. It's retro and vintage watches and restorations. It's a great place. It's growing by the minute. We've got lots of tinkerers like myself. We've got a few professionals in there. We've got lots of watch lovers. You can come in and show your collection off, or if you want to start a collection, you can ask the right questions. If you've got a problem with a watch and you want somebody to try and fix it for you, or you're just trying to find some answers, it's a great place. There's like 4,000 people in there now. They're from all over the world, and what a great way to share your knowledge, and it's all for free. Everybody is just into watches, so they want to help and advise others. It's a brilliant thing. Anyway, I'm waffling on. Again, thanks very much for all those likes, all those comments. Keep them coming. I'll keep more videos coming. I've got quite a few planned actually. Got some mechanical things to do, some digital things to do. I'm actually planning quite an interesting video where I'm going to use my timograph versus an app that I've got. I've got a timeographing app for my iPhone, and we're going to compare which is well, how good the app is against the actual real piece of equipment. So that should be a bit of fun. It's going to take me a while to figure out how to do it and how to set it up, but stay tuned for that one. Plenty more to come. Thank you very much for watching. Stay hanging on. We'll do a quick little close-up of this one for you. See you in the next one. Okay, so as promised, here's the closer video. And this is what you'd be winning, albeit it's going to look a lot different, or should look a lot different by the time we get there. As I say, it's a black dial. It's pretty classic. It is a 7025 5010, and it's from 1977. Fully automatic watch, and I've loosened the case back so we can have a little glimpse inside. As you can see, I've not really rehearsed this, so there we are. I know the movement will be salvageable. It just needs a bit of a clean and a service to get it going. I think the case is going to take a bit more work, but hopefully it'll come out really nice, and you'll all be, whoever wins it will be pretty happy. So once again, stay tuned. The first part of this one will be coming very soon. I'm going to probably start it in the next week or two. So stay tuned for that, and we'll try and complete it as soon as possible for you. So thanks very much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video on this watch, hopefully. Bye for now.